So I have an incandescent light bulb in there, so you see it. I'm going to replace it with this LED bulb right here. Focus. Oh, focus. Alright, we're gonna get started on changing the light. Alright, let me put this facing towards the ceiling fan. Alright, so what we're gonna do is... Oh, let me put that switch in here. So I'm gonna take off this globe for the light. So here's our globe itself right here. Took out the incandescent bulb. Install the LED. Chink looks good. I said demonstrated Porch, so let me turn it on. Uh-oh. Looks like it's turned off by the chain. Oh. I guess this LED bulb might not... Hold on, let me go get a different one. Let me go get a different LED bulb. Let me try to screw it in one more time. I'm gonna go get a working one. I'll be right back. So I'm using this one right here. Let's see if this one will work. Oh, I guess this one works. Alright, let's go get our globe. Very nice and snug. I know the chain does that. When you pull it, it just rubs on the globe a little bit. Alright, that's how you replace an incandescent light bulb with an LED. Thank you guys for watching.